Waylon. Welcome back to Table Flipping Housewife. Recently, my husband and I attended an estate sale and didn't expect that much from it because typically the furniture that I see at estate sales is priced too high for me to recoup a profit if I restore it. But this was an exceptional estate sale. It wasn't being run by a company. It was being run by this woman and her adult children. She was getting ready to downsize, and they had a ton of furniture in their home. They had furniture she had collected with her husband, but they also had furniture from her grandmother's home. So they were basically giving this stuff away. And I wanted to tell you about it because these will be upcoming projects. The first item that caught my eye was a simple dresser. It was only $10. It has a laminate top. I know I'll have to sand that down, but I thought that would be a super easy and quick flip. Then I discovered a 3-piece French provincial set. Now recently I was in a side table and instantly made a $200 profit on Facebook Marketplace. So I realized I had priced it way too low. So when I discovered this set that has a mirror attached, I snatched it up. Believe it or not, she sold me this dresser, side table, and mirror for $40. So I'll be restoring that soon as well. And then I discovered this little table. I could tell immediately it was an antique sewing table. $10. I scooped it up and realized how heavy it was. And when one of the adult children helped me, he opened it up and he said, "Oh gosh, I don't think we realized the Singer sewing machine is still inside." This sewing machine belonged to this woman's grandmother. It is from 1945. It is still functioning but very dirty, so I will be cleaning it up. I will be restoring these very soon, and if this content interests you, then stick around and you'll see these projects in the near future.